What is happening? My name is Joe. We're taking a closer look at the Burnside Blackout 24 liter from Dakine. This is one mean looking skate pack. Two hook and loop straps to lock your board down nice and tight. Two press release buckles to keep the main lid shut. Now the interior, ton of space. You got a 15-inch laptop sleeve in there. It's cushioned. Got that soft brush lining. It's got a cinch closure, so you can just keep everything nice and secured that way. There's a little extra pocket here on top of that lid, which is nice. Now on the flip side, you got these contoured shoulder straps. Got a really nice cushion to them. The sternum strap's fully adjustable. He just moves right along that rail there to give you that perfect fit. Of course, the straps themselves are adjustable. Now, the cool thing about that laptop compartment, you can access it from the side as well. As you can see, just in case you want to keep that lid shut, just get in and out. Perfect right there. Now, you got two little side pockets. One has kind of a brush lining, so you can stick your phone in there. Don't mess around with those other bags. Get a bag that's gonna hold up and carry what you need. This one from Dakine.